Japan, South Korea. Two countries separated by a sliver of sea, united by a shared history. One, a land of ancient emperors and samurai legends. The other, a nation forged in conflict, rising to become a global powerhouse. Both captivating destinations with vibrant cultures and culinary adventures. Choosing between them is like picking a favorite child. Each boasts unique charms, attracting millions of visitors. Join me as we compare these two Asian giants. Let's talk money. Tokyo, with its neon-drenched alleys and Michelin-starred restaurants, can drain your bank account faster than you can say konnichiwa. From sky-high rent to pricey sushi dinners, Japan's capital is notoriously expensive. But venture beyond the megacities, and you'll find pockets of affordability. South Korea, while no stranger to rising costs, offers a friendlier experience for budget travelers. Seoul, while pricier than other cities, is still significantly cheaper than Tokyo. Explore further, and you'll discover charming towns and coastal cities like Busan, where your money goes a long way. Think steaming bowls of kimchi jjigae, sizzling Korean BBQ, and local markets overflowing with fresh produce, all without breaking the bank. So, if you're on a tight budget, South Korea might just be your new best friend. Both Japan and South Korea are deeply rooted in Confucianism, emphasizing respect for elders, hierarchy, and social harmony. Bowing is an integral part of both cultures, a gesture deeply ingrained in everyday interactions. But look closer and subtle differences emerge. In Japan, bowing is an art form with varying degrees of inclination signifying the level of formality. From the slight nod of the head to the deep bow reserved for elders and superiors, mastering the art of bowing is key to navigating social situations. South Korea, while still bowing-centric, is arguably more relaxed. While respect for elders remains paramount, younger generations are adopting a more informal approach, particularly amongst friends. Sushi versus kimchi, a culinary showdown. The real reason we travel is for the food. Japan and South Korea bring their A game. Japan, with its sushi and ramen, needs no introduction. From otoro to ramen, Japanese cuisine is a symphony of flavors. But South Korea is hot on its heels. Kimchi, the fiery, fermented cabbage, is a national treasure. Then there's bibimbap and Korean BBQ. Spicy and bursting with flavor, Korean cuisine is an explosion of taste. Section 5. Tech titans, robots, cars, and smartphones. From bullet trains to robot waiters, Japan has long been synonymous with technological advancement. Its automotive industry, with giants like Toyota and Honda, is world-renowned, while its robotics sector continues to push the boundaries of innovation. But don't underestimate South Korea. Samsung, LG, Hyundai. These names are synonymous with cutting-edge electronics, from sleek smartphones to high-definition television. South Korea has rapidly transformed itself into a tech titan, rivaling Japan in innovation and global influence. The battle for technological supremacy rages on, with both nations constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Section 6. Ancient temples, neon lights. A tourist's paradise, Japan effortlessly blends ancient traditions with modern marvels. Explore the serene beauty of Kyoto's temples, marvel at the majestic Mount Fuji, or lose yourself in the neon-drenched streets of Tokyo. Whether you seek spiritual enlightenment or sensory overload, Japan delivers. South Korea, too, boasts a treasure trove of attractions. Immerse yourself in the history of Gyeongbokgung Palace in Seoul. Hike the breathtaking trails of Seoraksan National Park. Or experience the vibrant nightlife of Busan. From ancient temples to bustling cities, both countries offer a diverse range of experiences for every traveler. Section 7. So, which one wins? So, there you have it. Japan, the land of ancient traditions and technological prowess. South Korea, the dynamic nation brimming with energy and innovation. Which one emerges victorious? The truth is, there's no clear winner. It all depends on what you're looking for. Seeking a luxurious, culturally immersive experience, even if it means breaking the bank? Japan might be your calling. Prefer a budget-friendly adventure with a side of fiery kimchi? South Korea awaits. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to experience them both. So, pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the heart of Asia. Trust me, your taste buds and your Instagram feed will thank you.